Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something super exciting for all you makeup lovers out there. I'm going to share with you the top 5 tips for installing eye contact perfect with makeup on. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on these tips because they're absolute game changers. Alright, let's kick things off with a bang. The first tip is to always prepare your skin. Do a proper skincare routine the night before to ensure your base is flawless and your makeup goes on smoothly. No one wants to see greasy or uneven skin, right? Now that you're ready with that smooth, glowing skin, let's move on to the second tip, layering. When it comes to eye makeup, layering is key. Start with a thin base of your most lightweight eyeshadow and gently build up to your desired intensity. This technique not only creates a stunning difference, but also helps to extend your makeup wear time. Are you ready for the third tip? This one is all about the tools you use. Invest in a high-quality eye makeup applicator like a brush or sponge. These tools will make the application process a breeze and help you achieve that flawless eye look you desire. Alright, we've covered the tools. Time to talk technique. The fourth tip is to always start your eye makeup from the outer corner and work your way towards the middle. This step-by-step approach not only creates a seamless eye shape, but also helps to create that stunning cat eye look that we all love. And finally, the fifth and final tip is to be patient. Eye makeup can take time to set, so don't rush the process. Allow your eyes to fully dry before applying any additional layers. This will ensure that your eye makeup stays in place all day long and you'll look like a pro. And there you have it, my fabulous friends. The top 5 tips for installing eye contact perfect with makeup on. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep working on these techniques until they become second nature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy makeuping!